We need chocolate. Let's make some chocolate Oreo ball truffles. We're gonna need cream cheese, chocolate chips, white chocolate chips, Nutella, and Oreos. We're gonna start by blending up the whole package of Oreos. Put all of the Oreos into the blender. You better be careful with that blender of yours. I want you to keep all your fingers and toes. Look! I've got a blender full of dirt. Just kidding. It's the Oreos I blended up. This is what they should look like. In a big bowl, you're going to pour all of the Oreo crumbs. Add 4 ounces of cream cheese. So cut it right down the middle. Add half a cup of Nutella. Now time for the fun part. We're gonna mix it all together with our hands and squish it and mix it. Once everything's completely mixed together, you should have a big Oreo cream cheese ball. Now, what we're gonna do is we're gonna make a bunch of little balls from this big ball. Like this. Remember, the size of my eyeball. That's what you want. You'll put the Oreo balls on a plate with wax paper. Make sure you spread the Oreo balls out so they're not touching. You'll probably need to use 2 plates. Once you do that, you put them in the freezer for 30 minutes until they're slightly hardened. Once your chocolate cream cheese Oreo balls are out of the freezer, you will put in 2 cups of white chocolate into a glass bowl. Now we're going to melt the chocolate chips in the microwave. What you do is you put it in for 30 seconds, and then you stir it around with a spoon, and then put it in for another 30 seconds. Then stir it around with a spoon, and then do it again until it's completely melted. Oh, chocolate. We need to put it in for another 30 seconds. Now that we have our nice, smooth chocolate, we're going to dip the Oreo balls into it. Drop the Oreo ball into the chocolate. Mix it around, bring it out, and put it on the plate. Ta-da! Put a 1/3 cup of chocolate chips in a glass bowl and microwave it for 30 seconds. Now, before taking it out, make sure you have some pot holders. Otherwise, you might burn your hands. That would not be good. Ta-da! The instructions say to just drizzle it on top. I don't know how this is gonna work. It doesn't really drizzle very well. But just kind of get the chocolate on the top, and here you are. Now you're supposed to put them in the freezer for 15 more minutes. And then they're ready to eat. Everybody say chocolate. Everybody say chocolate. Bye. Thanks for watching.
Make sure you like and subscribe and click the little bell for notifications.
Let's go.